Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Many readers in the last couple of days have asked me how 7 lakhs becomes tax-free income in the new tax regime from 1st April 2023. So let's take a look at this using the calculator that I introduced yesterday. So in the old tax regime, let's say your salary is 5,50,000. So there's a standard deduction of 50,000 for salaried and pensioners, for those who are salaried and pensioners. So the net taxable income becomes 5 lakhs. And so the total tax to be paid is 12,500. But the government introduced a rebate under section 87A so that a maximum of 12,500 can be deducted as a rebate from the total tax. So the total tax is 12,500. That entire amount is the maximum that can be rebated. So the net taxable becomes 0. So up to a net taxable income of 5 lakhs, the total tax payable is 0 because of this rebate. Now, if you don't have any deductions, etc., then for a gross income of 5 lakhs 50,000, you have a standard deduction of 50,000 coming in, and therefore the net taxable income becomes 5 lakh and the total tax payable is 0. Of course, you can have a much higher gross income, include your deductions, and still, as long as the net taxable income is 5 lakhs or less, the total tax payable is 0 in the old tax regime. So now in the new tax regime, that is from the next financial year, that is after budget 2023 proposals are accepted. So let's say the income is 7,50,000. Now budget 2023 has introduced the standard deduction of 50,000 for the new tax regime as well. So that's taken into account, and the net taxable income will now be 7 lakhs. So now budget 2023 says the same section 87A rebate will also be applicable to the new tax regime, but the total rebate that will now apply is 25,000. So that means that for a 7 lakh tax net taxable income, the tax payable is 25,000. So that entire amount can be cancelled off with the tax rebate, and therefore the total tax payable is 0 up to a net taxable income of 7 lakhs. Of course, if you include the standard deduction, the gross income can be up to 7,50,000 for the net tax payable to be 0. So that's how the whole thing, the rebate works.